Hey, what's up guys, it's your girl Nene, and I'm back at it again with another video. If you guys love my videos, please give me a thumbs up, as well as make sure that you're subscribed, and make sure that my notification bell is on so you guys keep up with all of my updates. Alright, so, new palette T. Well, pretty much this palette has been around for a while. It's the It's My Ray Ray palette from BH Cosmetics, and I literally just got it. And also, see, here's the thing. So, I forgot, I ordered it, but then I forgot I ordered it, so I ordered it again, and now I have two. So pretty much I'm gonna be giving away this one, and stay tuned to the end of the video, and I will give you more like the updates on, well, not the updates, but more information on how to get in on this giveaway. So pretty much, yeah, so this one is mine. And I just wanted to play in it because, honestly speaking, like, the concept for this palette was so lit. Okay, so she has, like, it's a highlighter and eyeshadow. It's a highlight, eyeshadow, and contour palette. And pretty much this is what the whole palette looks like. I still have the plastic on it. And I love the fact that the plastic was actually kind of like taped on here. So like all you're seeing right now is pretty much like my ring light. Pretty much this is what the palette looks like. What attracted me to this palette was really this shade. Let me turn the light off so you guys can see it better. This is what the actual palette looks like. The palette kind of looks a bit, it looks dark in person compared to the lights. I didn't really see anybody talk about this palette at all, but I wanted to give it a try because, you know, I actually like It's My Ray Ray. She's actually one of my favorite YouTubers. So yeah, let's just get into this palette, and then I'll give you my final regards and info on how to win a palette for yourself. Okay, so I'm back. My brows are already set. Today's foundation will be Maybelline Matte and Poreless in the shade 370, and for pretty much primer, the concealer that I have under here is a NYX concealer. The NYX concealer here is in this is the Deep palette. But to prime my eyes, I will be using ColourPop's concealer in the shade Deep Golden 60. Okay, so the first color that I'm gonna go into is the shade Mousse, which is this color right here. Okay, then I really wanna go purple, so I'm gonna take Midnight and Connie on another brush though, and I'm just gonna like mix the two and see what I get from that. Then I'm gonna go into the shade Passion, which is this shade right here. I'm just gonna like put that all over the lid. Kind of want to brighten this up, so I'm gonna go into the shade Angel, which is this whitish shimmer shade right here. I'm just gonna like kind of lightly put that on the top. This ain't even white, it's gold. It's gold. Okay, so pretty much I'm going to go into the face, but I'm going to do it off camera. But I'm going to just show you the products that I'll be using. I'm priming with Fenty Beauty's primer. I'm going to be color correcting with the Maybelline Master Camo. Concealer is Tarte Shape Tape. I'm in the shade Deep, and the Master Camo is the yellow one. And of course, for foundation, it's Maybelline Matte and Poreless 370. Well, Deep Bronze 370. Okay, so now I already did my concealer and everything, so I stopped here. So pretty much I'm gonna try with the contour shades. I really want, like, as far as I know, at least these two contour shades are more usable to me. But I want to see if this one is. This one is actually very yellow. Like, I had swatched it off camera as well too. So I want to see if these two mixed together may be like a good powder shade. So I can like set under like the concealer like under my eyes and everything. So like the two shades. So these two shades are called Chai and Mocha, and this last one, who could actually be a good contour shade for me, is called Brownie Bite. So pretty much I'm just going to take this BH Cosmetics V2 brush, and I'm going to mix Chai and Mocha together. These two shades right here. Okay, so I decided to do my lashes off camera. Bro, let me tell you. Like, for the past couple of videos, I have not been able to get my lashes on properly using the tweezer, but I finally got it. The lash that I'm wearing today is the Alexis Lash by Shop Miss A, or AOA, something like that. But yeah, so I'm gonna just jump back into this palette. I really want to go into the shade Brownie Bite, the contour shade Brownie Bite. Now, here's the thing. I'm a little skeptical of this shade because it looks pretty dark in the palette to me. But sometimes with shades like this, they will look dark and then they're not really as dark as you think it is. And I'm a pretty dark girl, so let's just see. So I'm gonna just take this Morphe M405 from the James Charles collection. Also, if you guys want to see my James Charles collection review, then head to my Facebook like page, which is always in the description box, and I put it there. So yeah, I don't know. And also, somebody tell me how to clean goat hair brushes, because this brush, like, it got so deformed after I washed it. So I'm just kind of like, now I feel like it's more for blush now than it is for contour. But I'm still using it though. Cheek? Okay. I feel like this contour is exactly what I was kind of looking for. Like, okay, so to help cut this cheek a little, I'm going to go back into my foundation, and I'm going to do that Aaliyah J trick. And so pretty much the trick that she does with cutting the cheek is that she will use like her concealer or her foundation and pretty much draw a line. And that's why people was thinking that she had like Botox or cheek fillers or something like that, she said. Okay, so now there's no blush in the palette, so I'm just gonna go into this BH Cosmetics blush right here. And I really been loving this blush palette lately. So I'm gonna use I want to say this shade right here. I always wonder, like, when YouTubers are actually like filming and whatnot, how do they not get makeup on their shirt? Like, because for me it never fails. Okay, so for a setting spray, I'm going to be using Urban Decay All Nighter. So for now, highlighter, I really want to try this shade French Toast, which is the last shade here. Okay, I get it. Okay, like, oh my god. I'm gonna use my foundation brush to kind of like calm this down. So I kind of felt like I put too much. This highlight is something serious. Honestly speaking, I'm gonna be real with you. I never used to like BH Cosmetics highlighters, but now they're really starting to grow on me. Okay, so for lipstick, this ain't even the shade that I wanted to use, but it's close to it. I have a NICKA K True Matte lipstick in the shade Clairvoyant, and I have a NICKA K Lip Shine lipstick in the shade Paynes Gray. What I really wanted to use was an elf lipstick, and I believe it was in the shade Vampy Violet or something like that. But I have no idea where that shade is, and I'm just like, I know it's in with my lipsticks, but I couldn't find it. So Okay, something like this. Anyway, this is the finished look. Let's get on to this final regards with the palette and the giveaway. So yeah, my final regards, I would definitely say this palette is definitely Nene J approved. How did that get? I guess I'm going to dig my finger in like 2 colors. The one thing that I was definitely skeptical about was this contour shade right here, because I have seen contour shades that look exactly like this, was dark like this, even dark like this shade right here, and it did not pop up any kind of, like, it did not pop up any kind of dark on my skin, nothing. So I was very skeptical about that, but it did come through. The one thing that I would definitely say is a star of this palette is definitely the highlighters. I really do love this French Toast shade, and maybe in some other videos I might try either this shade or this shade. This shade will definitely intimidate you, but it's like, even though it shows up as white, it's not white. It's more of a one of those white shades that shift gold or something like that. So it's actually gold. It just looks white. But overall, I would definitely say get this palette. I definitely do like this palette. And on top of that, like, the palette itself is a everyday type of palette. You know, you have that one black in there if you want to go vampy. You do have like some purples, a pink, like a pinkish orange shade. So, but it is an everyday palette. So this is definitely Nene J approved. I do like this palette. I also do like the concept of this palette. It's definitely good for travel, I would say, because, you know, it's small. Like, it's small, and then like you have all of this, you know, rolled out. So, and it comes with a mirror, so that's always a plus. So yeah, the giveaway, okay, so the rules of this giveaway is pretty much very simple. Just make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Comment down below, I guess, if you have any Christmas plans, what you're doing for Christmas. Like, it's pretty much that simple. I'm not doing too much. This giveaway is gonna be US only, so if I do have any international fans or subscribers or whatever that's you know, wanted to participate, I'm sorry, but can't do that right now. Like, it's not, yeah, I feel like it's not so bad. Okay, so pretty much the giveaway is US only. So if I have any international fans, you know, Canada, Mexico, etc., I honestly do apologize, but hopefully, you know, somewhere down the line, as I do more giveaways, I will be able to ship them to you. I just gotta figure out how to do that, but right now all I know how to do is just ship across the US. So I'm gonna just stick to what I know for now, and yeah, so I'm gonna keep this giveaway up till, I want to say, Tuesday or Wednesday, because I'm filming this Saturday, so this would probably be up Sunday, I would say. So I don't know, the latest I'll probably keep this up is Thursday at latest. I don't know, but check my Instagram, which is always linked down below, for and for the official rules. I haven't posted yet. I wanted to post this on YouTube first. So yeah, if you guys got any questions, you know, feel free to DM me on Instagram, tweet me on Twitter, whatever. If you follow me on Snapchat, I'll definitely answer. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one.